Imagine a beach unlike any you've ever seen. Instead of sunbathers and sandcastles, giant creatures stalk the shoreline. These are Strandbeests, the brainchildren of Dutch artist and engineer Theo Jansen. They are not flesh and blood but intricate skeletons of PVC pipe, propelled by the wind and imbued with an eerie semblance of life. Jansen's creations blur the lines between art and engineering, sculpture and robotics. They are a testament to the power of imagination and the beauty of natural forms. These wind-powered wonders are not just impressive feats of engineering. They represent a unique fusion of art, science and philosophical inquiry. Jansen's journey began in the Netherlands, where rising sea levels posed a threat to his homeland. The year was 1990 when Theo Jansen first envisioned his Strandbeests, or beach animals in Dutch. The Netherlands, a country with a long history of battling the sea, faced a new threat: rising sea levels. Jansen, an artist with a background in physics, saw an opportunity to use his skills to address this challenge. He imagined creatures that could roam the beaches, harnessing the power of the wind to push sand back up onto the dunes, reinforcing the natural defenses against the encroaching tides. This vision, born out of necessity and fueled by Jansen's boundless creativity, marked the beginning of a journey that would span decades and capture the imagination of the world. Jansen initially granted himself a year to experiment with his idea. He envisioned it as a playful exploration of possibilities, a temporary detour from his artistic endeavors. However, as he delved deeper into the mechanics of his creations, the project took on a life of its own. The one-year experiment morphed into a lifelong passion, an ongoing dialogue between Jansen and his creations. The Strandbeests, initially conceived as simple sand-pushing machines, evolved into complex, almost lifelike entities, each generation building upon the successes and failures of its predecessors. Building a creature that could not only withstand but thrive in the harsh conditions of the Dutch coast was no easy feat. Jansen faced a myriad of engineering challenges, each demanding innovative solutions. Sand, while seemingly benign, is a surprisingly difficult terrain to navigate. It shifts, it yields, and it grinds away at moving parts. One of the first hurdles was supporting the creature's weight and enabling it to move smoothly across the sand. Jansen's breakthrough came with the development of what he calls legs. These ingeniously designed limbs, inspired by the movement of animals, use a series of interconnected PVC pipes and pivoting joints to create a walking motion. The unpredictable nature of the wind presented another challenge. Jansen needed a system that could capture wind energy and translate it into controlled movement. He devised a system of wings and pistons that act like sails, catching the wind and storing its energy in PET bottles which serve as air reservoirs. This stored energy allows the Strandbeests to continue moving even when the wind dies down, granting them a degree of autonomy and resilience. But surviving on the beach means more than just moving. It means weathering storms, navigating obstacles, and avoiding the water's edge. Anatomy of a Strandbeest: bones, muscles, and the power of plastic. The Strandbeests, despite their imposing size and intricate movements, are constructed from a surprisingly simple material: PVC pipe. This readily available and inexpensive plastic serves as the backbone, muscles, and sinews of Jansen's creations. The pipe segments are cut to precise lengths and connected using zip ties, creating a lightweight yet durable framework. The heart of a Strandbeest lies in its legs. Jansen spent years perfecting the design, studying animal locomotion and experimenting with countless configurations. The result is a marvel of biomimicry, with each leg composed of 12 interconnected segments that mimic the natural gait of an animal. These legs, powered by the wind-catching wings and the compressed air stored in PET bottles, work in unison to propel the creature forward. The wings, acting like sails, capture the wind and drive a central crankshaft. This crankshaft, in turn, compresses air into the PET bottles, creating a reservoir of potential energy. This stored energy is then released through a series of valves and pistons, driving the legs and animating the Strandbeest. This elegant system of wind-powered locomotion, entirely mechanical and devoid of any electronics, is a testament to Jansen's ingenuity and his deep understanding of natural forces. Life on the beach. Adaptation, evolution, and the survival of the Strandbeests. Jansen's Strandbeests are not static creations, they are constantly evolving. Each generation incorporates lessons learned from its predecessors, adapting to the challenges of the beach environment and becoming more sophisticated in the process. Early models were relatively simple, capable of basic walking motion. As Jansen continued to refine his designs, he introduced new features and mechanisms, enabling his creations to interact with their surroundings in increasingly complex ways. Some Strandbeests are equipped with sensors that detect changes in wind direction, allowing them to tack like sailboats, maximizing their efficiency. Others have feelers that detect obstacles, prompting them to change course and avoid getting stuck. Jansen even developed a nervous system using plastic tubes and air pressure sensors. This system allows the Strandbeests to sense the water's edge and retreat to safety, preventing them from being swept away by the tide. This constant evolution, driven by observation, experimentation, and a deep respect for the unforgiving nature of the beach, is at the heart of Jansen's project. The Strandbeests are not merely machines, they are a testament to the power of adaptation and the interconnectedness of all things. Jansen's vision and the ethics of artificial life. Theo Jansen's Strandbeests explore the boundaries between life, art, and technology. Jansen sees his creations as a new form of life called animaris. They possess autonomy, interacting with their environment. This raises profound questions about the nature of life. If machines mimic life, do they deserve respect? Jansen's work challenges our view of technology. It's a testament to human imagination. The line between artificial and natural is blurred. Legacy in motion, the enduring impact and future of Strandbeests. Theo Jansen's Strandbeests have captured the imagination of people worldwide. What began as a personal project on a Dutch beach has evolved into a global phenomenon. Jansen's creations have been exhibited in museums and galleries around the world. His work has been featured in countless documentaries, books, and articles. Jansen's dream is to create self-sustaining Strandbeests, leaving mesmerizing tracks in the sand. This goal drives Jansen's creativity and pushes boundaries. The legacy of the Strandbeests extends beyond art and engineering. They remind us of the importance of imagination and innovation. Jansen's work inspires us to see beauty and wonder in unexpected places. The Strandbeests embody human ingenuity, born from playfulness, curiosity, and respect for nature.